G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, unit number 24 in the popular beachside complex of Seahaven. There's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. Are you looking to invest in one of Queensland's fastest growing regional centres? Or perhaps you're searching for a holiday escape for those chilly southern winters? Or simply a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Whatever your plans, this stylish beachside townhouse at Seahaven could be exactly what you've been searching for. Positioned only metres from Hervey Bay's beautiful esplanade, beach and sparkling waters, this is an enviable location where an exceptional coastal lifestyle is right on your doorstep. Enjoy a leisurely stroll or cycle along the region's picturesque foreshore, taking in the breathtaking views across Hervey Bay. Stop for a coffee or a delicious meal at one of the many nearby cafes and restaurants. Feel the sand between your toes or cool off with a refreshing swim while embracing our wonderful year-round subtropical climate. Built in 2014, Unit 24 at Seahaven has been cleverly designed to maximise space while providing comfortable, easy care living. High vaulted ceilings create a wonderful sense of openness throughout the open plan living and dining area, complemented by reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The stylish kitchen features quality finishes, beautiful stone bench tops, and ample storage space with cleverly designed pull-out drawers, along with quality appliances which include an electric hot plate with a range hood and an oven, along with the provision to add a dishwasher if desired, providing everything you'll need for relaxing everyday living or entertaining. There are two comfortable bedrooms. Both feature built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom features stylish plantation shutters, while the second bedroom is being used as a study and offers direct access outside as well. The beautifully appointed main bathroom continues the quality finishes with stone bench tops, a double basin vanity and a large shower recess, along with a separate powder room and toilet. Outside, the large private courtyard, complete with 3 quality shade sails, provides an inviting space to entertain family and friends, enjoy a quiet morning coffee and a cool evening beverage while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. And those with the green thumb will appreciate the raised garden beds as well. Vehicle accommodation is covered by a spacious single garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've even got a handy mezzanine storage floor with a pull-down ladder. And the European style laundry is located to the rear of the garage. Set within this pet-friendly complex with moderate body corporate fees, this versatile property will appeal to an investor, holidaymakers, downsizers and travellers seeking a secure, low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. This is your opportunity to enjoy an effortless beachside lifestyle in beautiful Hervey Bay. Homes in this wonderful Seahaven complex are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.